Hi guys, you're welcome to our channel. We are in the city of Owerri, and tonight we just want to have a stroll around and see what is happening around the city, if the city is still bubbling as always. You know, Owerri used to be one of the hubs where you will say if you want to have oringo in igboland, just go to Owerri. It's one of those cities that have a very good nightlife. So we're going to be confirming that today to be sure the nightlife within the city is still very much intact. So today we'll be having a drive around town. So we are just around New Owerri, where most of the sit-out spots, the hangar spot is located within the city. So we're going to be having a drive around Concord axis, the Angels, Manure, Mimi's Place, all of those axes is where we'll be having this drive through. So if you are new to our channel, you're welcome to Arlin TV. Kindly do what to click the subscribe button, turn on notification bell to be part of our big family. For returning subscribers, thank you very much. We really do appreciate your love for our channel. Allowance, the governor is currently working on putting street lights in major areas of the city. So I believe this area should be one of those places that should have good street lights. I can see some working ahead. I hope it's not a private stuff that is shining ahead of us. We'll be checking that out. We're just around Mimi's Place now, so traffic everywhere to show that this is about past 9 p.m. in the evening, and the traffic is building up within the city. So the weekend is upon us now, so you know, Owerri, there's no day that is no weekend. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, every day is weekend to them in the city of Owerri. So I thought things are calmer now at night within the city, but obviously it is not, and the city is getting all busy again. So it's good to see, because the last time we visited and did a night drive, it was not as busy as this, so a lot of news about them be scared about the happenings within the south. But it's good to see that life is coming back to the city, you know, because all of this means business to some certain persons and all of that. So it's good to see. As you can see, the whole place is jam-filled, and where I was just now, because I went to sit out with some friends, where I was sitting just now, my friends wife actually said, no, a friend that was also with us said, one thing about Nigerians, no matter how much we complain there is no money, we always have money to make ourselves happy. I think that was a goal. Instead of just remaining sad or angry, you should just get something to make yourself happy. So that's it, guys. So we have passed Mimi's Place now. That axis is what is causing the traffic. That shit is really deep, and obviously trust policemen to be around as well. So here we are. Let's put on our center lights just to have a chat. Okay, well done. You're welcome. Okay. So we just passed the police officers who has mounted checkpoint at that location. So we'll be driving down a little bit. So the Angels is by our left hand side, and then traffic still within this axis. So this area is one of the most busiest part of town. I think if not 24 hours, activities happen around this axis every single day in the city of Owerri. So this is one area that if you want to get anything at night, food or whatever, just come towards this axis at night. It's located in New Owerri. Just tell them Concord Hotel or Mimi's Place or the Manure or the Angels. You know, most of those cab guys or your boat people will always know where you are talking about. So you can see that the life around here is really happening. So the traffic is moving gradually, and we are progressing forward. Let's hope that it won't be like this in front again. So guys, we are keep moving. The traffic today is crazy around here. This is past 9. I can't even believe that I will see this kind of traffic at this time within this axis. I thought it would be a free drive, you know. I'm quite surprised. So if you are based in Owerri, let me know. Is this how it has been for a while now, or is it just because it's today just different from every other day? So let me know in the comment section. Let me know. And talking about the street lights, you can see that some of it are working around here, but I think the spacing is a little too much because the street lights on its own, they are not so big, and it's just at the middle of the road. So, and the road is quite wide, so introducing more will make better sense around here because the street is wide, so it's not really shiny, even though I know the businesses situated around here is also generating light for the environment. So that is just the angels over there with so much light, you know. So I think the more of the street lights will be better around this vicinity. So if you are still seeing our video and you are not yet a subscriber, please do well to click the subscribe button, turn on notification bell to join our big family. For returning subscribers, thank you so much. We appreciate you. We're looking forward to your comments. If you've ever visited Owerri or you stay here, do also rep in the comment section. And if you visit and you've been to this axis, what was your experience like? Let's also get your feedback in the comment section. We're looking forward to all of that. I think something must be happening in this town today for it to have so much traffic, you know. Something must be happening. I just feel something should be happening somewhere around the city that's making the traffic this much. So I don't know, I just want to go to my hotel and relax because I've been out all day. So I just want to go and relax in my hotel. If not, I would have stopped by to see what's really happening within this axis that is causing so much traffic in the town. So I think this axis is freer. Maybe it's the angels that's causing the traffic with the turn and everything. So since this axis is freer, maybe it's just lounge around there that is causing it. So guys, that is it. They also have cold stones situated around here. Like I said, you can see that the street lights are all installed. Only this side I'm not seeing, just because I can't even see poles around here as well. So just some few sections. That's why the spacing is not much for those street lights, and I think they should extend it towards this direction to have a proper coverage around the city. Basically, I think that is the most busiest part of town at night. And let us know in the comment section if activities are happening within your side of town. So we are getting into the darker part of Owerri. So let us know if activities is happening in your side, and also the situation of the street light within your area as well. So thank you so much guys for joining me on this vlog. I'll catch you guys in our next video. Bye.